We got 3 dome products from Whitestone. Whitestone dome glass are famous and we have reviewed them before, and these are for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These 3 are Whitestone dome case, dome UV film and dome glass. In this video we will look at one product and we will make separate videos on the rest. Links will be in the description. In this video we are looking at Whitestone dome Lappi case. This is the box. It says Whitestone dome Lappi case for Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has highlights. Now let's unbox. This is the case. Let's remove the protective film on it. This is how the case looks. Let's put the case on the phone, and this is how the phone looks like with the case on. It is a good fit. All the cutouts and bumps are in right place. Near the display we can see the raised lip a little bit. The phone feels more rugged with the case on. Feels like it can handle a couple of drops and hard bumps. We can also take out the S Pen from the case easily. There is no obstruction for that. This case also offers MagSafe compatibility, whether it is wireless charging or magnetic wallets. It weighs around 48 grams and the S24 Ultra weighs 234 grams. The case itself isn't that heavy. Even if you put it on phone, it feels normal. But the phone is big, so with the case it feels a little bit bigger. So people with small hands, just keep that in mind. Otherwise, actually if you bought the Ultra, you know the deal. Overall, it's a pretty cool case, and as of now, it is available at $29.99, which is around 2,520 rupees approximately, on their global website whitestonedome.com. So that's pretty much it for this video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about this? Like or dislike the video, share it with friends or enemies or both. And remember to subscribe to GreedyTech. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.